How to log in to Netflix account. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Netflix account. So let's get started. First things first, open your browser and go to netflix.com. Now, if you have a Netflix app also, you can simply go to the Netflix app. Now, what you need to do is simply tap on the sign in button at the top once you're on the Netflix home page. Now, what you need to do is simply enter your email address or mobile number or your password, which is associated with your Netflix account. Just go ahead and type in your details here. Make sure you enter the correct email and password or you won't be able to access your account. Once you've entered your details, simply tap on sign in button and you'll be taken to your Netflix homepage. Now, if you can't remember your password, you can simply tap on forgot password link under the sign in button and Netflix will then send you an email with instructions to reset your password. And that's it. You're all signed in and ready to stream your favorite movies and shows. Browse the content and start watching right away.